So we offer these opportunities for students because we know a lot of times the traditional academic pathway is not the right fit for our students, but we don't want them to feel like they cannot succeed. So we actually look into different possibilities, tap into their talents, their skills, and offer a non-traditional academic pathway. By tapping into their skills and being able to produce something, they actually develop the self-esteem and the motivation, and a lot of times that leads to actually a higher education. It keeps them more engaged in school. It keeps them coming to school.
I enrolled in this welding class because I am interested in learning more about welding, getting more experience about it, in case in the future I want to get into a welding job. One thing I enjoy about this class is we're really hands-on. We got straight into hands-on work and learning more about the machines and how do they work.
I love everything about it. I'm a hands-on person. I love everything I get to learn. In class, it's more like field work. I first learned to work with the oxygen in this acetylene, and I learned how to use a torch and welding. I would define it as just combining two things together. It seems so simple when they do it, but you have to focus. No, I like it because I think it's kind of risk-taking that I get to be around so much stuff. I like that I'm one of the very few girls here.
Being here at Compton College and seeing our students firsthand engage in the labs of welding just inspires me. They're having such a great time. They're motivated. They're talking the vernacular and the terminology as welders do. It's very exciting and it keeps the hope alive. I hope that we can continue this partnership with Compton College. And we are very thankful for the opportunities that they have provided to our Vista scholars for opening their doors and being so welcoming and being so supportive of our students and really believing in them. Because without their support, we would not have these opportunities for our young men and women.